Hello everyone. After exercise 8.7, let's see what is an equation and how to solve such equations. So what is an equation? A statement of equality involving one or more literal numbers is called an equation. A statement of equality involving one or more literal numbers is called an equation. Now exercise 8.8. Exercise 8.8, this is related to equations. So the first question is write an equation for each of the following statements using x to show for the unknown number, find the number, choose the right values from the ones inside the bracket. So we have 3 or 4 or 5 options for each and we have to pick the correct one. So for first statement, A statement says that A is 2 years older than B, whose age is 15. A is 2 years older than B, whose age is 15. So the age of B is 15. The age of B is 15 and we have to generate an equation. So A is 2 years older than B. So let's assume that x is the age of A. Now x is the age of A. A is 2 years. A is 2 years older than B. So if the age of B is given to us, which is actually given to us, that is equals to 15. So A means x is 2 years greater, or A is 2 years older means 15 plus 2 is A. So A means the value of x is 2 years older than B, 2 more than B, who is 15. So 15 is the age of B. So this is the simple equation. X equals to 15 plus 2, or the value of x is 17. So the correct answer is 17. Similarly, B, 5 times a number equals 20. So 5 times a number, that number is x, variable is x, unknown is x. 5 times a number is 20. It means 5x equals to 20. So for the value of x in the next step, x is 20. So here it is in multiplication. So x we can write 20 in division, 20 by 5. So 25 by 5 is 4. So the correct answer, correct value is 4. Next part C, a number increased by 7 equals 20. A number, that unknown is x, increased by 7 means plus 7. A number increased by 7 equals 20. So this is the final equation. X, a number increased by 7 plus 7 equals to 20. So how to solve or how to get the answer or value of x? Should change the place of 7 from left to right. Here it is positive, so 20, and after changing its place, minus. So 20 minus 7 is 13. So 13 is the correct answer. Similarly, next part D, when 10 is subtracted from a number, that unknown number is x. When 10 is subtracted from a number, that number is x, it becomes 30, equals to 30. So the simple equation is 10 subtracted from a number, so x minus 10 equals to 30. So the value of x is 30 plus 10 equals to 40. So 40 is the answer. Yes, 35, 40 and 50, we have 3 options. 40 is the correct answer. Then E, 20 increased by another number is 30. 20 increased by another unknown number, that unknown number is x. 20 increased by another number is 32. So the value of x is, will change the place of 20 again. So 32 plus 20, after changing the place, minus 20. So the value is 32 minus 20, 12. 12 is the correct answer. Next, part F. In part F, when 5 is added to twice a number, it is 15. So when 5 is added means plus, to twice a number. Twice a number means x. It is equals to 15. So this is the equation. Now for finding the value of x, we'll change the place of 5 first. So 15 minus 5, here it is positive, negative, and in the next step 2x equals to 15 minus 5, 10. Again in the next step, x equals to 10 by 2 equals to 5. So 5 is the correct answer. Then part G, when 7 is subtracted from thrice a number. When 7 is subtracted from thrice a number. So thrice a number means thrice of unknown, thrice of x, 3x, subtracted 7. So 7 is subtracted by thrice a number is, it is 14. So in the next step, 3x equals to 14. Here it is minus, becomes plus. So 3x is 14 plus 7, 21, and x is 21 by 3. So the answer, correct answer is 7. 7 is the correct answer. Then next, second question. Write a verbal statement for each of these equations. So next question, for next question, we have to write verbal expression for x minus 7 equals to 30. Similarly, x minus 6 equals to 30. So x, unknown number, minus 6 is equals to 30. So what to write? When 6 is subtracted from a number, it becomes 30. So when 6 is subtracted from a number, it becomes 30. It becomes 30. Simple. When 6 is subtracted from a number, 6 is subtracted from x, it becomes 30. It becomes 30. Then we have 3x equals to 72. 3 into x, 3 into unknown, equals to 72. It's very simple. Thrice a number is 72. 3 of x, thrice a number is 72. So we can write thrice a number is 72. Thrice a number is 72. Next, part C. To C, the equation is 3x plus 2 equals to 35. 3x, thrice a number, plus 2 added by 2 becomes 35. So what to write? When 2 is added, okay, 2 is added. When 2 is added to thrice a number, it is 35, or it becomes 35. And last part D, 15 plus 5x equals to 30. So 2D 15 plus 5x equals to 30. Again this equation is similar, so what to write? When 15 is added to thrice a number, sorry, in place of thrice, to 5 times of number, it is 30. Or we can write 15 increased, 15 increased by 5 times a number is 30. 15 increased by 5 times a number is 30. 30. Now next, rules for solving equation. We have two rules for solving equation, first rule and second rule. First rule is for addition and subtraction, which says that in an equation we can transfer any number from one side to another, from left to right or from right to left, after changing the sign. So if we change the position, or if we transfer any number from one side to another, we can change the sign. This is the first rule. Now let's start exercise 8.9. Exercise 8.9. First question, solve each of these equations and check your answers. So first question, x plus 5 equals to 12, and as per rule will transferring the number from one side to another after changing the sign. So we want the value of x, so we can change the place of 5 from left to right. So here it is positive, after changing its sign negative. So 12 minus 5 is 7. 7 is the answer. And for check, we'll put this value of x in place of x. So 7 plus 5 equals to 12. 12 equals to 12. Yes. So it is correct or proved. Similarly, second question, x minus 3 equals to 12. X minus 3 equals to 12. Again, x equals to minus 3 on the right hand side, minus 12, sorry, 12 minus 3 becomes plus 3. So 12 plus 3 is 15. So the value is 15. 15 is your answer. And for check, put the value of x. 15 minus 3 equals to 12. 15 minus 3 is 12. Yes, 12. Again, it's correct. Similarly, third question, question number 3, n plus 5 equals to 8. N plus 5 equals to 8. So the value of n is 8, and we'll change the place of 5, and sorry, plus 5 minus 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Now putting this value, 3 plus 5 equals to 8. Yes, 3 plus 5 is 8 equals to 8. The answer is correct. This is for check. Similarly, fourth question, 22 plus x. 22 plus x equals to 42. So in the next step, x equals to 44 minus, from left hand side to right hand side, positive becomes negative, and the answer is 22 plus 22. This is the answer. This was the answer. And for check, again we'll put the value of x, which is 22, and we'll check. 22 plus 22, 44. Yes, 44, hence proved. Next, fifth, x minus 5 is 12. X minus 5 equals to 12. So in the next step, we can write 12 minus 5 becomes plus 5. And for check, we'll put this value, x equals to 17 minus 5. 17 minus 5 is 12. Yes, 12. So this is also correct. Similarly, question number 6, x minus 7 equals to 8. X minus 7 equals to 8. So x equals to 8 minus 7 becomes plus 7. So 7 plus 8, 15. So this is the answer. And for check, for For check, we'll put the value 15 minus 7 equals to 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. Yes, 8 is equals to 8. So hence it is proved. It is equals to 8. Then seventh question, p plus 10 is 25. P plus 10 equals to 25. So for the value of p, 25 plus 10 becomes minus 10. So the value is 15. 15 is your answer. For check, put the value of p equals to 15 plus 10 equals to 25. Yes, 15 plus 10 is 25 equals to 25. Proved. Check. Eighth question, 35 equals to p plus 5. 35 equals to p plus 5. Okay, so we can change the place of 5 from right to left. So in the right hand side it is positive, left hand side it's negative. So 35 minus 5 is 30. 30 is your answer. And for check again, put the value 30 plus 5. Yes, 35 equals to 35. So the value is correct. Ninth question, 12 plus k is 40. 12 plus k is 40. So again, k equals to 40 plus becomes minus 12. So 40 minus 12. 40 minus 12 is 28. Yes, 28. And for check, we can put the value of k equals to 28. So 12 plus 28 is 40. Yes, so this is correct. Next, question number 10. Question number 10. P plus 2.5 equals to 12. So the value of p is 12 minus 2.5. And in the next step, first we'll solve this. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Again, LCM is 2, so 24 minus 5. Yes, so 24 minus 5 is 19 by 2. And how to write 19 by 2? 19 by 2 means 19. So the sum, so 18 plus 1 we can write 18 plus 1 by 2. And for 18 by 2, so 9.5. So 9.5 is the answer. 9.5 is the answer. Then for check, we can put this value 9.5 plus 2.5 equals to 12. Yes, 9, 11 and 12. 12 equals to 12. Answer is correct. So the answer is 19 by 2, or we can write 9.5. Then next, question number 11. 11 is p minus 4. P minus 4 is 15. Yes, p minus 4 is 15. So the value of p is 15 plus 4 equals to 19. And for check, we can put the value 19 minus 4 is 15. Yes, 19 minus 4 is 15 equals to 15. So correct. Then 12th, 5 equals to x minus 2. 5 equals to x minus 2. So for finding the value of x, 5 minus 2 will change the place, plus 2 is x. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 is the answer. Again for check, 5 equals to, put the value of x, 7 minus 2. 5 equals to 5. Yes, it's correct. Then 13th question, n minus 12 equals to 0. N minus 12 equals to 0. So the value of n is 12. We can just change the place. And then for the final check, for check we can put the value again is 0. 12 minus 12 is 0 equals to 0. Yes, is correct. Then 15th question, no, it's 14th. After 13th, 14th question, x minus 5. X minus 5 equals to 10. So the value of x is, we'll change the place of 5. We'll change the place of 5. So 10 minus 5 becomes plus 5, 15. And for check, 15 minus 5 equals to 10. Yes, 15 minus 5 is 10. 10 equals to 10. It's correct. And next is question number 15. Now for 15th statement is 9 equals to x plus 4. So 9 minus 4 equals to x. We'll change the place, equals to 5. 5 is the answer. And for check, 9 equals to 5 plus 4. Yes, 9 equals to 9. It's correct. Again 16, x minus 24. X minus 24 equals to 2. So we'll change the place. 2 plus 24 equals to 26. Yes. And for check, 26 minus 24 equals to 2. Yes, 24 minus 26 is 2. So the answer is correct. 17th question, 12 minus x. 12 minus x is 17. So 12 minus 17 equals to x. Now here in this question, 12 plus 7 after changing the place becomes minus 7. And minus x, if we change the place, becomes plus x. So the value of x is minus 5. Now we'll put the value 12 minus minus 5 equals to 17. So 12 minus minus plus. So 12 plus 5 equals to 17. Yes, correct. And then question number 18th last, 19 minus x equals to 10. So again, using same concept, 19 minus 10 equals to x. 19 minus 10, we'll change the place of 10 from plus to minus, from right hand side to left hand side. Positive becomes negative and negative x becomes positive. So the value of x is 19 minus 10, 9. For check, 19 minus, put the value of x equals to 9 is 10. Yes, 10 is equals to 10. So this is correct. So this entire exercise 8.9 is very simple. We can use only one concept or one rule in an equation. We can transfer any number from one side to another after changing the sign. And for check, please put the value of that unknown or x or p. You will find that whether that answer is correct or not. So if answer is correct, both left hand side and right hand side becomes equal. Now if you have any doubt, any problem in this exercise or in any exercise or topic of maths class 6, please write your comments in the comment section. Thank you.